Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, so that's Balachao. I think it's named after like a special sauce that they have in Macau. So what we're gonna do is this kind of this is Philomena Street right down this way, and then we're gonna go down this little lane right in between these buildings, just to give you some context where we are. Huh. All kinds of cool stuff everywhere. That looks pretty cool. So we're gonna walk up that street. It's called Balachao. Okay, Travessa do, I'm gonna mispronounce it, Balachao. But anyways, this is Salty Shrimp Alley. And there's this little tiny little salty shrimps. They're kind of mixed in, and I found out that they're basically, it looks like a big, they're in Macau, but they're also from Bangladesh apparently, and definitely in Portugal as well. And I think Goa is kind of one of the main spaces. So Goa maybe spread it out a little bit to India, to Bangladesh, to. But anyways, I'll put a few pictures of it just so you can see exactly what the street is named after. So once you see it, you'll know. And then I'll put it up on the map. You have it on the map already in the beginning, but I'll do the bigger macroscopic one and then the microscopic one so you can see the small streets around it. And I guess that's it. So I'm going to do a little bit of music first for about 75 seconds, and then we're going to get right into the walk and talk with the camera, and we'll show you this this lane in Macau. So check it all out.
I wanna see you. I wanna see you so bad, bad. Show me Macau. Show me, show me, show me, show me Macau. Show me Macau. I wanna see you Macau. I so badly wanna see you Macau. Mama Macau. Mama Macau. So badly wanna see you Macau. Mama, mama Macau. Mama Macau. Mama Macau.
Okay, so we're gonna go up this Balachao. One of the things I'm gonna look for is this little standalone house. I'll talk about it in a minute, but I heard that it's for rent. It's like 3 or 4 stories high, and it is I think they said 14,000, and it's somewhere in this little lane. I think we also have some patios and different things in here as well, and I couldn't tell you which one, if this is still the same one or not. I know this is all ours. Let me just kind of walk in these a little bit. Just want to kind of thoroughly see this little Balachao and all the stuff that's in it. It's like somebody's kitchen. Oh, I think that's actually a restaurant. Yeah. So I don't know if this is part of Balachao or not. I haven't seen a name for it yet. There's even a little park in here. It is. It's a patio. Huh. So this little park goes back out to the main street again. Huh. It's just a little park. Closes at 8 p.m. Opens at 5. Or you rent it. Looks like you can rent it. patio right there. So this is the same name, Patio de Balachao. This looks like, wow, check that out. There's like a little rooftop up there. All kinds of rooftops in this area. Okay, so this is just a little courtyard. But for this one, I'm gonna focus on the lane, Balachao Lane. It's a nice smell. It smells like incense. I can smell. Oh, there it is right there. Okay. Yeah, that smells really nice. Okay, so we're gonna. I think this is the building right here. So I think this whole building is 14,000. There's a rooftop at the top, and then and then it's like locked at the moment. I saw another video of it. Oh, that looks so cool. It's like big. So yeah, I guess that's it right there. So it's like one whole building for 14,000 mop to rent it with a balcony. But the inside looks pretty like it's kind of gutted. Like it doesn't really look like you'd have to do a lot of work. Looks like there used to be a building right there next to this one, obviously, because this whole corrugated metal is right there. There's another courtyard here. This is kind of cool. So these have some other, this is a square, a little Largo do. Let's kind of explore the whole space in here. Yeah, some really nice building, nice, it's like all pedestrian friendly, so you can kind of walk around in here with this open spaces. Some nice windows straight ahead. So let's just kind of walk up some of these little pretty cool little area. This is kind of filled with courtyards everywhere. So this is part of this Largo do Sordes, which is just off of our target street of Balachao, which is right there. Oh, now we're in a Beco. So now we're in a Balachao Beco. So we have a Travessa, a Beco, a Largo. Largo is square, Beco is like alley, Travessa is like lane, patio is like courtyard. So you have little courtyards, patios, squares, plazas. So this is more of this little Beco. So that little corner is just a small little Beco. Very cool. You've got like places you can bring chairs out and sit down outside. So let's go up Balachao Lane. And then this comes up to this really nice temple. I haven't been to this temple in a while, but I think I'm gonna go in and try to get some views from up there. And that overlooks our Balachao Lane. Let's go further though. You go up in here. Let's go all the way up to the top.
14K，14K，廿六
It's really nice. Okay, so we're gonna go this way around it, and I'm gonna come back down to Balachao. I haven't done that patio in a long time. Okay. So yeah, it's a really nice temple in there. There's even places to sit. It's nice. Okay, so we're gonna go back down. And that's our Balachao. So Travessa de Balachao is right there. Okay. So let's end it for Balachao. We'll go back down. Yeah, this is one of these spaces too that could be painted and put some nice things in the middle. It would lose its neighborhoodish feel, but on the other hand, I get some beautiful space in here. Okay, so we're gonna end it for Balachao. Hopefully kind of interesting.